50 multiplication questions. Go. Question 1. What is 1 times 1? The correct answer is C, 1. Number 2. 2 times 1 equals? The correct answer is A, 2. Question 3. 3 times 5, what's the answer? The correct answer is B, 15. Question 4. What is 4 times 7? The correct answer is C, 28. Number 5. 5 times 7 equals? The correct answer is A, 35. Question 6. 6 times 1, what's the answer? The correct answer is B, 6. Question 7. What is 8 times 7? The correct answer is C, 56. Number 8. 9 times 8 equals? The correct answer is A, 72. Keep going. Question 9. 10 times 2, what's the answer? The correct answer is B, 20. Question 10. What is 1 times 10? The correct answer is C, 10. Number 11. 2 times 3 equals? The correct answer is B, 6. Question 12. 4 times 4, what's the answer? The correct answer is C, 16. Question 13. What is 3 times 7? The correct answer is A, 21. Number 14. 5 times 5 equals? The correct answer is B, 25. Question 15. 6 times 4, what's the answer? The correct answer is A, 24. Question 16. What is 7 times 3? The correct answer is B, 21. Halfway there. Number 17. 8 times 2 equals? The correct answer is B, 16. Question 18. 9 times 3, what's the answer? The correct answer is B, 27. Question 19. What is 10 times 5? The correct answer is B, 50. Number 20. 2 times 6 equals? The correct answer is B, 12. Question 21. 4 times 9, what's the answer? The correct answer is B, 36. Question 22. What is 5 times 8? The correct answer is B, 40. Number 23. 6 times 7 equals? The correct answer is A, 42. Question 24. 3 times 4, what's the answer? The correct answer is B, 12. You are a genius. Question 25. What is 7 times 8? The correct answer is B, 56. Number 26. 1 times 3 equals? The correct answer is A, 3. Question 27. 2 times 2, what's the answer? The correct answer is A, 4. Question 28. What is 3 times 6? The correct answer is B, 18. Number 29. 4 times 2 equals? The correct answer is B, 8. Question 30. 5 times 3, what's the answer? The correct answer is B, 15. Question 31. What is 6 times 5? The correct answer is B, 30. Number 32. 7 times 4 equals? The correct answer is B, 28. Almost done. Question 33. 8 times 3, what's the answer? The correct answer is B, 24. Question 34. What is 9 times 5? The correct answer is B, 45. Number 35. 10 times 7 equals? The correct answer is B, 70. Question 36. 2 times 8, what's the answer? The correct answer is B, 16. Question 37. What is 4 times 6? The correct answer is B, 24. Number 38. 5 times 9 equals? The correct answer is B, 45. Question 39. 7 times 6, what's the answer? The correct answer is B, 42. Question 40. What is 9 times 4? The correct answer is B, 36. You are on fire. Number 41. 1 times 2 equals? The correct answer is A, 2. Question 42. 2 times 4, what's the answer? The correct answer is B, 8. Question 43. What is 3 times 3? The correct answer is A, 9. Number 44. 4 times 5 equals? The correct answer is B, 20. Question 45. 5 times 2, what's the answer? The correct answer is A, 10. Question 46. What is 6 times 3? The correct answer is A, 18. Number 47. 7 times 2 equals? The correct answer is B, 14. Question 48. 8 times 4, what's the answer? The correct answer is B, 32. Stay focused. Question 49. What is 9 times 2? The correct answer is B, 18. Number 50. 10 times 3 equals? The correct answer is B, 30. Congratulations! You finished all 50 questions. Subscribe for more